Introduction Bitcoin has come a long way since its creation in 2009. Today, it's one of the most talked about assets in the financial world. But can Bitcoin really reach 250,000? Let's explore how it might happen, how long it could take, and what needs to happen for this to become a reality. The history and growth of Bitcoin started with a value of almost nothing, but it quickly gained attention as an innovative way to store value. Over the years, it has experienced dramatic price increases, especially during major bull runs, like the one in 2017 and the 2020-2021 period. These events show that Bitcoin has the potential to grow significantly, but it requires market catalysts to push it further. What could drive Bitcoin to 250,000? The more people use Bitcoin, the higher its demand becomes. Whether as a store of value or as a medium of exchange, wider adoption can drive the price upwards. The involvement of large institutions and companies like Tesla, PayPal, and Square can boost demand. Big players like hedge funds, investment banks, and even governments might enter the Bitcoin space. When major institutional investors back Bitcoin, it can bring more stability and higher demand, which may push prices up to $250,000. Bitcoin's total supply is capped at 21 million coins. This scarcity, combined with growing demand, makes it a potential store of value, similar to gold. As more people seek Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, its price could rise dramatically. Global economic factors like inflation and the devaluation of fiat currencies can increase interest in Bitcoin. When traditional financial systems experience instability, Bitcoin often becomes a safer alternative, driving up its value. How long could it take for Bitcoin to reach 250,000? It's difficult to predict exactly how long it will take for Bitcoin to hit $250,000. But looking at historical trends, it could take anywhere from a few years to a decade. Major milestones in Bitcoin's price have happened in cycles, so it might take some time for Bitcoin to reach that level. The key will be how fast institutional adoption grows and how the macroeconomic landscape evolves. What needs to happen for Bitcoin to reach $250,000? For Bitcoin to continue growing, the world needs more clarity around regulations. Governments need to create clear and supportive policies that encourage innovation while protecting investors. The technology behind Bitcoin must continue to evolve. Solutions for faster transactions, lower fees, and wider usage are essential for Bitcoin to be adopted by even more users and businesses. Bitcoin's price has been volatile in the past. For it to hit $250,000, the market needs to become more stable and predictable. This will happen as more institutional investors get involved and the market matures. Conclusion. In conclusion, Bitcoin has the potential to reach $250,000, but it depends on several factors: increased adoption, institutional investment, limited supply, and macroeconomic conditions. While it's impossible to predict the exact timeline, Bitcoin is on a promising path. As the world continues to embrace cryptocurrencies, the $250,000 mark could very well be in Bitcoin's future.